In this video I'm going to show you how to use mirror command. So let's first draw one object. I'm using normally line command. And this is my reference line. We want to mirror this object here. So just normally type MI, that is shortcut key for mirror MI. Enter, select your object, again enter, then it's your first point, that is your reference line, and second point, again enter. It's mirror. How I used? Let me show you again. MI, enter, select your object, again enter. I'm using a reference line, so this is my first point. I just click on a screen, and second point. Here I get the erase resource object. I choose no. I want this object. It's no. In case you are using that yes option, MI, enter, select your object, again enter, first click on a screen and second click on a screen. Now I'm using that yes. Yes, I want erase the resource of object. Yes. This object automatically erase it. So let's try to mirror the text. Empty. Normally I'm using empty command for text. AutoCAD. So if you want mirror your text, MI, okay, this is my reference line. Okay. MI, enter, select your text, again enter. It's your first point and then second point, and no. See, it's just like a copy. It's not like a mirror. So if you want mirror your text, first you have to change your mirror setting. How you can do that? Just normally type MIRRTEXT, MIRRTEXT, enter. Then you want just add a 1 value. Type 1, enter. So now let's try to mirror the text command. How you can do it? Same, that is mirror, MI, enter, select your text, again one time enter. Now click on the screen 1 and click on the screen second point. Yes. See, this text automatically mirror it. How you can do that? First you have to change the mirror command setting, that is MIRRTEXT, then add a value, that is 1. In case you change that value 1 to 0, only two values you can use. First is 0, second one is 1. So let's start, let's try to do with the 1 to 0. MIRRTEXT, enter. Now I just added the 0 value, 0, enter. Now let's try the mirror, MI, enter, select the text, again enter, then 2 times of click on the screen. See, if your mirror text value is 0, then you can't mirror the text. If your mirror text setting is 1, then you can